This video will give you over 20 plus stylish transition presets for your next videos. Easy to edit the colors of the transitions. This transition also includes vertical resolution transitions and square resolution transitions for all social media platforms. I have taken a full HD sequence here. Go to Effects, right-click, and click on Import Presets. Navigate to the location and click on Open. The download link is in the description below. Now, follow me whilst I apply the transitions to this videos. It looks perfect. You can also use the same procedure for the vertical and square templates for your social media videos. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.